Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So ayan, this is our advance Valentine's date with Madam Ayer. So ayan, we're going to the mall at syempre we're going to buy some fresh crabs. Ayan guys, I am his favorite at syempre, my favorite din. So ayan, so we'll be back to you guys later and we're going to tour you around the mall. So yun guys, bye for now, see you later. Ay, ayan guys, dito na kami sa loob ng mall. So kami mag-walking, kunyari mag-shopping kami kahit na walang pera. I am is the rich. I am is going to shop. I am is going to shop. So ayan guys, this is our buffet. Our Valentine's Day with Madam Ayer. So ayan.
What need to put inside?
Just eat first.
No,
yeah.
this one.
Oh my God.
The sauce.
Take the thing. So ayan guys, nakalimutan kong dalhin yung aking steak. Mainit. Very hot. Yeah. So hot. Maybe it's a lot. I told you. Because you pay expensive ma.
Yeah, but you cannot feed, don't take it.
I like this one even expensive because the beef is from Japan. So ayan guys, hindi ko nadala yung aking corn stick. So sinabi ko kaya nadalian niyang kumain ang hina ni Ayim, pero sa bahay mabilisang kumain. Dito hindi. Then put that one in you want. You need to ask more.
Ask more, you finish one.
Yeah, last one lady. Hello. Can we have two more beef? Thank you. This one. Akunda. O, diba guys? Pag ganitong shabu-shabu, marami akong nakakain ko sa paborito ko. So, ayan, nagpapalit kami ng pira kanina. Tapos, matagal ko ng balak ko, kaya lang, this one is already okay. Because it's too soft also is not nice. Akon ka. Thank you. Okay na. We just take a lot busy. Okay na rin to guys. Mainit. Mainit. Hindi makain.
Oh, like I told.
So, hapunan na namin ito. Alas 5 pa lang dito. Hindi makuha si Ayim ng camera. Wait, I feel Ayim. Ayim is too slow to eat, my God.
So hot na.
May baboy sa loob. Gusto kasi kain ng baboy. Yung baboy. Baka yung... So ayan, nakalimutan ko rin guys ang aking salamin. So it's hard for me to paano tignan kung ilang minuto na ba yung oras. Hindi ko siya makita. So ito hindi na kami mag-order. Ubusin lang namin yung nandito sa aming bowl. Ay, iba na tong ano.
It's takeout.
Ha?
It's takeout.
Iba na tong binigay nila. Masyado siyang mataba.
Right, this one is nicer.
This one, the now is too much fat. Ayan guys. Ang aking yam na taro is my favorito. Awan na mushroom. We finish this one, then no more ready. Nakakain din kami ng 10 ito. Guys. Pwede pa pagbibili. Pagbibili mo sa to na luluto ka sa bahay, mas lalong marami kang marami kang gastos. So mabuti na yung kumain ka sa labas. Kasi makatipid ka ng konti. Diba? Kasi gulay. Grabe ang pawis ko. Pinawisan ako guys. Sobra. No. Tane. Ayan guys. Gawa tayo ng kape. Walang asukal. Pangalawang kape ko na yan guys. My favorite. My favorite. Ayan. Ang aking cappuccino na. Sinawisan ako guys sa sabaw. Sabi, grabe ang pawis. Ayan guys. Nakaka 25 minutes pa lang kami. Busog na si Ayem. We're supposed to have 1 hour. Kaya enough na namin yung ng sabaw. Ayan, nag-stop na kaming nag-order kasi tinatry namin ubusin itong Pero in fairness naka 12 pieces na set ng baka. Tapos 2 baboy, di ba? In fairness, busy si madam. Saka ito yung cup ng aking kape. Maliit siya. Ang ginawa ko, nilagay ko dito para malaki siya, di ba? Hindi halatang adik sa kape. You eat more. Tingnan mo. Sa bahay, mabilis siyang kumain dito. Tingnan niyo. Supposed to be, guys, alas 6 kami matapos. Yan. Matapos kami ng 6:13. Pumasok kami ng 4:33. Ano pa lang ngayon? Is 5:15 pa lang. So, dapat kakain kami ng matagal. Pero, busog na kami. So, ayan guys, inuunti-unti namin ubusin yan. Kasi sayang naman. Kaya hindi na kami nag-order. Actually, naka 30 minutes pa lang kami sa 1 hour na Pero nanghingi na kami ng dessert. So, ito yung green tea ni Ayem. At ito yung mango ko.
So small.
So, ayan. Maganda guys. Meron silang mga flower. O, diba? Ang ganda, all pink. Ayan o, meron silang ano doon. Ayan guys, hindi na mapigil ang aking taba-ching-ching. Pero okay lang yan. As long as healthy tayo. Adi magaganda yung mga flowers. All is flowers. Everything here is flower. Ayan guys, so kasi Valentine's. Yan. Yan si Madam Aim. Ang ganda ng design. So these are all plastic. Pero maganda yung pagka-design. So nagtitinda rin sila ng fresh flowers. Ayan, baka naman may gustong bumili dyan ng ano sa akin. Ayoko ng flowers, gusto ko mga bouquet of golay. If you want to give me, I would like some broccoli. Tuyo, lagay na rin siya ng sausawan na calamansi. This is our all fresh flowers. So ayan guys, nandito kami sa labas ng mall. Ito. So meron silang kamuting kahoy, mamaya I will buy. Dami guys. There's a lot of food. I think the crab in the last side in the last. Ito yung prawn. Ayun o, malalaking prawn guys. So, diba? So, ayun. Taiwanese chicken. Ayan. Mga drinks. Mga fried stuff. This one is wow, yummy, yummy. O, diba? Ayan. So, ang hinahanap namin ay yung fresh crabs, which is all the way to the end. There you go. O, diba? Biryani. Ito, ang hinahanap namin. This is fresh crab. Oh, I want that one. Yan, ito guys, so seaweed. Ito fresh din siya, oh. Guys, nandito na kami sa bahay. Tignan nyo yung tapaw ni Ayun. Yan, can you show? Nag-take out pa kami ng fresh crab.
Sunday.
Wawa si Inso. Galit na siya sa'yo.